Woodworkers, carpenters, plumbers, and even DIYers know that having a good collection of tools is a necessity and the only way to achieving good results when completing projects. Once you have read our reviews on the selected products, don't forget to read our buying guide for all the things that need to be taken note of when choosing an oscillating tool. There are many products available to choose the best oscillating tools, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best oscillating tools from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bosch GOP55 36C2 StarlockMax Oscillating Multi Tool Kit. If it's power you are after, then look no further. The StarlockMax by Bosch is a powerhouse, no doubt. It is driven by a 5.5 amp motor, which is run on direct power, so there is unlimited operation and full-on torque every time you put this beast to work. The speed goes up to 20,000 operations per minute, which allows you to finish projects on time with precision and ease. Every accessory that is included is designed to last through multiple usages, making difficult jobs seem easy and smooth to complete. The Bosch GOP 55-36C2 StarlockMax is compatible with all of the Starlockplus, and StarlockMax accessories by Bosch. When purchasing this toolkit, you receive 40 different accessories which can all be changed on the tool without the help of any wrench. This is a great step taken by the manufacturers in the design of the tool to minimize accidents and time taken to attach or detach the hot blades and other accessories. Number 2. Ryker Hardware 15 Wood Metal Professional Oscillating Multi-Tool Quick Release Saw Blades. No matter what brand or model of oscillating tool you are using, you will need to replace their blades at one point. Depending on the quality of the original blades used and the amount of work involved, blades will need to be changed in order to always have the same speed and accuracy in the job done. The blades included are made of high-grade carbon steel, which easily cut through metal, plastic, fiberglass, and wood in no time. Along with bimetal blades, you also get 3 large semicircular blades. The blades are labeled so you know which ones to use on dry walls, plastic, wood, and metal. The construction consists of standard tooth, fine tooth, and Japanese tooth. The blades are compatible with Rockwell Hyperlock, Chicago Electric, Ryobi, Rigid, BLACK+DECKER, Fine Multimaster, Genesis, and many more. It is not compatible with Starlock. Number 3. Bosch GOP 40-30C Starlockplus 4.0 Amp Oscillating MultiTool Kit. The Starlockplus by Bosch differs from the StarlockMax in the sense that it runs on a 4-amp motor, whereas the StarlockMax has a much more powerful 5.5-amp motor. Nevertheless, this model is also extremely efficient when it comes to handling jobs like cutting, sanding, grinding, and scraping. It is a corded version with a 13-feet-long cord that gives you a decent area coverage and flexibility in movement. The tool oscillates at 3 degrees with a variable speed of 8,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute. The powerful motor and high-speed performance of the StarlockPlus enables users to finish off all kinds of heavy-duty work in style and with quality results. You can use the tool with all Starlock and StarlockPlus accessories, which make the tool resourceful and a great buy. Number 4. Makita XMT03 Z18 volts Lithium-Ion Cordless Oscillating Tools. The Makita XMT03Z is the only item on our list that does not come with any accessories. We reviewed the tool only and found it worthy to be on our list because of its durable build and ability to perform with precision and power. It is a cordless power tool that runs with an 18 volts LXT lithium-ion battery, providing great torque and a longer operating time. You can work with a speed range of 6,000 to 20,000 operations per minute, up to 20 minutes on a full charge, after which you will be notified of low power with an indicator light. The 3.2-degree oscillation angle is perfect for speedy sanding, powerful cutting, and accuracy for various applications involved in carpentry, plumbing, and remodeling jobs. However, we wished the tool would come with a battery, but it does not. It only comes with one blade and two adapters. The battery and charger need to be purchased separately. This tool is compatible with most of the popular accessories, so you can easily find blades and accessories to use with this tool. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER BD 200 MT B 2.0 AMP Variable Speed Oscillating MultiTool. We had to include a BLACK+DECKER product in our list of best oscillating tools because the company manufactures some great tools at affordable prices, and their 2.0 amp BD 200 MTB model is definitely something to check out. The corded tool comes with 13 different accessories which widen the range of applications and the number of tasks which you can complete with one single tool. With 6 speed settings from a range of 10,000 OMP to 20,000 OMP, you can move from a speedy performance to precision as desired. The grips on the tool are designed to provide you with comfort and anti-slip operation, eliminating the risk of losing control over your tool and also enabling you to work with confidence. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.